Are you looking for the best smart weighted hoops in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best smart weighted hoops that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, GOBEES Weighted Fitness Hoop. If you compare these large fitness hoops with other models, this one helps you burn fat much faster and it helps your body achieve an ideal figure. Using the hoop 30 minutes per day will help you burn up to 800 calories each time you use it. The hoop is simple to use and it will not fall even when used by beginners. It consists of 24 detachable parts which can be disassembled in seconds, and the hoop can be adjusted from 16 to 24 sections according to your waist. Moreover, the hoop is made of quality ABS materials that will serve for long without aging. At number 4, skayddb Weighted Smart Hoola Hoop. This is another quality hoop built with a simple design that makes it suitable for children and adults. It is made of hard ABS plastic that ensures the hoop will serve you for long even when used intensively. You can change the number of weight-bearing blocks in the weight ball according to your weight capacity. Still, the intensity of exercise can be changed by adjusting the length of the rope. It consists of 24 detachable parts, each with a diameter of 47.24 inches, and they can be detached with a simple push button. At number 3, Smart Hoops for Adults. This hoop helps you burn calories and it is great for relieving fatigue after a long day of work or after exercise. It has a shock-absorbing ring that helps you exercise comfortably and it burns fast 2 to 3 times faster than the normal hoops. The hoop features a 360 degrees roller that rotates flexibly and evenly to reduce noise and make the rotation stable. It features 16 detachable parts which are easy to disassemble, and the parts can be adjusted from 12 to 16 parts. What you will love about the hoop is the environmentally friendly ABS construction that helps it resist high-strength training, and it will serve you for long before being damaged. In addition, all the parts are simple to disassemble and store so that you can exercise anytime, anywhere. At number 2, Smart Weighted Hoop. The smart weighted hoops are made of a material that is not only lightweight but comfortable for every workout you want to do. You can change the number of weight-bearing blocks in the weight ball according to your weight-bearing capacity. It has a no-drop design that makes it comfortable to use for all skill levels from beginners to professionals. The hoop has comfortable circles that burn body fat quickly and they help your waist to relax. Furthermore, this equipment burns fat 2 to 3 times faster than the traditional Hoola hoops. What makes this Hoola hoop an excellent choice is the 360-degree silent rollers that provide smooth rotation and they don't cause discomfort. In addition, it is available in different color options you can choose from, and it is adjustable to suit your needs. At number 1, Weighted Smart Hoola Hoop. The hula hoop is a great exercise equipment that will help you flatten your belly and make your waist slim. It uses 360 degrees shock-absorbing rings to press the waist. This hoop features a spinning ball that won't drop when you are doing physical training, and it is well suited for beginners and professionals. The size is adjustable and it perfectly fits waists with 31 to 49 inches in circumference. The weighted Hoola hoop will burn body fat and eliminate fatigue for those who sit in the office for too long and lack physical activity. Furthermore, the premium ABS construction will guarantee long-term use with aging. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.